Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video, we will be doing a quick test fit of the 1970 Pontiac Firebird. My goal for this build is to see if I can get the front bumper and the rear panel attached before paint and still get the chassis in with no issues. Now, if you've been building models for a while, you know that the smallest drop of glue can ruin a paint job. So I want to try to avoid that altogether. And just have the front bumper and the rear panel attached and have that painted as a whole. Okay, so I've already got the necessary parts I need off the sprues, clean them up a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can get these things together and still get this chassis in here. All right, so let's see if I'm able to get this front grille in with the bumper attached. Yep, here we go. All right, let's see if I can slide this thing up in there. All right, so I seem to be able to get that front grille in, no issues. All right, so yep, no issues there. All right, so let's see if we can go ahead and let's see if we can go ahead and get the chassis in. All right, so let's grab this. So you start off in the back, slide that in. Oh, nice. All right, so it seems as if we will not have any issues getting this thing together. All right, so I should be able to glue this on, paint this whole thing as a whole, and still get the chassis in with no issues. I'm definitely happy about that. Good, good, good. So I can go ahead and get the front and rear bumper attached, get that primer and painted all together, and that should make for a smoother paint job.